What's up? What's up? What's up? This your boy Zeke Dawg, and I'm back with another video. Man, so today we are doing a much needed upgrade to the T680 power inverter. So let me show y'all what we about to upgrade to. 4,000 watt of continuous power made by Roarbait. And this is what we're about to upgrade to, man. I have an inverter in there now. I'm gonna show it to y'all in a minute, but this is the new upgrade. I caught it on sale, one of those Prime Day sales for like, I don't know, like $280 or something. So it comes with smaller gauge wire. I'll show you the exact wires that it comes with. And these are some pretty small gauge wire. You look with 8 gauge or something. So just in the goodwill of overdoing everything, I went with a 0 gauge, so there's no shortage of power coming into this baby right here. And if you need a truck like your boy Zeke Dawg got, man, go on over there to the Lone Mountain website. Check out their inventory. Look at their down payment. Look at their monthly payment so you can find your next truck. Alright, dog team, man, this is the current Eden power inverter that I have on here right now. And I'm gonna clear out all this stuff and open up my bunk so that I can easily get access to it. But the first thing you want to do, man, is disconnect the power. So you need to take this panel off. They're 17-inch nuts. Take all 6 of them off. I'm gonna have to disconnect my my LED lights, and then I'll move this out of the way so that we can get started. All right, dog team, the power inverter that's on there right now is 1800 watts with 2000 continuous, but 18 is the max, and that's for it powering everything. So I should be able to have my air fryer and all kind of stuff, and maybe do some better cooking with this one on here. But I just noticed something when I was in the truck. It may save me some time and some money. So let me measure this 0 gauge. This 0 gauge is roughly just over half of an inch. The wires that's going into this baby right now is already thick. I thought they were going to be smaller wires, but oh no, I think we got some thickens. We may already have 0 gauge going in there. So I am correct. You look right here, it says 0 gauge. Ha! I don't have to put new terminals on here. I'm so happy. I am so freaking happy. So I can use the ones I have on here, and I can send the ones I got back to Amazon and get a refund so I can buy some more stuff for the truck. This is amazing. So what I want to do now is I need to take off some of these bolts that's holding it in. So this will be the cable that powers my other devices, my other plugs, my outlets. This runs to all the other outlets, and this will be hardwired into the new one. Alright, I moved that plastic piping that was up here out of the way, and now I can see my bolts. I got 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom over here. I'm gonna get them on off. Alright, I got it dismounted from the wall. Now I just have to go unplug my batteries, and then I'm gonna take these terminals off, switch these terminals over, and it'll be ready for the new one. Alright, dog team, so size wise they're really about the same size, and flip it around. This is the orientation of how it's going to be. The positive and negative here, gonna swap it up to the positive and negative here. This cord is gonna plug into this LNPE socket here, and the remote on and off will plug in here. I should have just went ahead and put 4,000 watts from the factory, man. It would have been so much better. Now, in order to fully get these disconnected, I need to pull this panel off here. Whoops, I dropped the screw. Sorry, I'll find it. And you see how these are plugged into L, N, and I guess G. You have to move those plugs over to the new one. Alright, dog team, man, I never got around to installing this inside the back of my truck. Really, man, I don't really think that requires a high level of education. If you've already installed this unit, then you can put that wherever you want to put it, to be honest. I mean, heck, you can stick it in the front. Wherever you want to put it, that's on you, man. But so far, I've been able to run my microwave, my TV, man, just all kind of things at once. And I'm like, that's some good stuff. So, I'm happy with it. Hopefully y'all, enjoyed seeing me put this in, and man, we just gonna go for there. So appreciate y'all checking out these videos, man. Like, share, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and join the dog team. So until the next time, baby, keep it trucking.